Hello, you have reached Sledgehammer Games.
This is Hubris.
I transfer your call.
Just on Hubris's head.
Welcome to activate the support line. For support on any phone, begin with the Call of Duty.
And this is Hubris after he sucks at cock.
If you are calling regarding Modern Warfare 3, press 1. If you are calling regarding... Thank you for choosing...
Be quiet, be quiet.
Modern Warfare 3. For questions regarding the drop zone game mode, press 1. Your call may be monitored or recorded.
Alright, shut up now, guys.
Purposes. We appreciate your patience. However, all customer service representatives are currently assisting other customers. There are 1 callers ahead of you. The longest wait time is 2 minutes.
It's a fucking lie.
Please remain on the line, and the next available representative will be happy
Watch
to
me
help
get it.
you.
Watch it. I might get it right away, so be quiet.
You reached Activation's customer support. My name is Alan. Thank you for calling. Have you ever contacted us before?
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Hi.
Hi, have you ever contacted us before?
No.
Okay. Your first name, please?
Brian? With the N. Or with the I, I'm sorry. Did you get that?
Yes. Can I have your last name, please? How you spell that?
V.
Yes.
C-O.
C-O, okay. Brian, can I have your email, please?
I don't have an email.
Okay. Brian, you're calling from...
Yes, but this is not my phone. Can I give you a different phone number?
No, that's fine. We typically don't call out.
Oh, alright.
Okay, Brian, are you on the Xbox, PlayStation, Wii, or PC?
The PlayStation.
Can I have your ID, please?
O. H. U. B. R. I. S.
So that's H-U-B-R-I-S?
Yeah, O. Hubbers.
Okay. Do you have an elite subscription?
No.
Okay, how can I help you?
Alright, so I'm in a game, right? And first of all, this game, Modern Warfare 3, is really easy to hack. So I'm in a game, right? And I'm over here hacking it, and these kids, they won't shut up, and I can't pull up my menu, my select menu, with the way I'm hacking. So I was willing to know if you can mute the kids from, because they just won't shut up about me hacking, if you can mute the kids from your screen or anything.
Brian, are you serious right now?
I'm pretty serious.
Brian, I can't discuss anything that you just asked.
But hacking's hella fun, come on.
Alright, I'm gonna have to disconnect. I have a...
No, you're not going to disconnect right now. You better not hang up. You better not. No. Hello?
Brian, I'd like to tell you that people that are found in violation of the terms of service are subject to ban. So, if you're going to ask me questions about how you can hack more conveniently, I'm not going to be able to discuss that with you, alright?
I mean, but I'm not bothering you guys, I'm bothering the kids on PlayStation.
Right, and that's a serious problem that we're having with people that do what you're doing, so
I
I'm going
mean,
to have to disconnect now.
But they're squeakers. So are you gonna ban me? What the fuck? Hello? Oh, they hung up.